Tired of Chrome opening with a search engine you don't want? In this video, I'll show you how to change your default search engine in just a few steps. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the main menu. From the list that appears, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Search Engine. Now you'll see a section that says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click Change next to it and choose the search engine you prefer, like Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. For most users, Google is the top choice, but you're free to pick whichever you like. Just below that, you can also click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. As an extra step, you can head over to the Default Browser section in the left menu and make sure Google Chrome is set as your default browser too. Once you've made these changes, open a new tab and you'll now see your chosen search engine in action. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips.